Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve non-repeating character program. The task is given a string S consisting of lowercase Latin letters. Find the first non-repeating character in S. Input output I will explain with the example. Here is the example. This is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case we take the two lines. First line is the number of characters. In the second line those characters details like this. In the same way remaining text cases also. Taking this first test case output. See this H occurs only once. This is the first occurs and non-repeated character is H. So output is H. In the second test case Z twice occurs twice. X also occurs twice. V also occurs twice. But C is first occurred non-repeated character. So output is C. With the last test case, X occurs twice, Y occurs twice, Z occurs twice. Everyone occurs twice. No one not occurs. No one is there. Once occurred letter. So output is -1. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. For the test cases, I am using t variable. Take the value of t. To execute all test cases, I am using while loop with a t minus minus. In test case, I take the n value, number of letters, and take the n value. Then create a array with the size of n, char array. This is characters. Then take this hello input cns. To solve this task, I am using another map. With the key value is character values, it takes a key values as characters and mapped values are integers. So I am traveling in the take this first one hello I equal to 0 means h, we are at the position of h. So it takes a map and key value is h and mapped value is that occurrence value. H occurs only once. The same way I incremented. E occurs only once. So that value also 0 to 1. L occurs once first time. Then that value 0 to 1 I value incremented. Once again L comes. So already in map having the L. So that occurrence value will become to 2. Then I value incremented. We are at the G 0. So nothing. It is O. Okay. O occurs only once. That value occurrence value is 1. Then for loop stops execution. I value reaches the end. I value is 5. 5 less than 5 false. It stops execution. Then comes out the for loop. C used for is such element exist or not. Initially C equal to 0. If any such element is exist, that value will become 1. Otherwise, it is still 0. Then its output will be -1. By observing this, I am traveling in the hello first one from h. M of h equal to 1. So it is true. Then cout, this if block executes. Cout is s of I. S of I is h. H will be printed. C value become 1. Then it is break. This for loop stops execution. See this. C value is 1 now. So this is not prints. Only h is the output. Then check it. Our code right or not by compile test. See this. Expected output and our output is same. Then submit. It is a correct answer with the execution time 0.49. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.